Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to adjust volume on ASUS VIVOBOOK Pro. So, the method is clicking I'll show you better, the F2 button or to volume down and F3 button to volume up. You can even click F1 button to mute volume and once again to unmute. Or you can just simply click the panel in the bottom right corner and here change the volume or click this to mute and unmute. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.